Hola a todos. It's 2026. You have been saying, quiero aprender español for a long time. This is the year we actually make it happen. But forget the boring textbooks and the 100 days tricks on Duolingo that don't actually teach you to speak. There are other ways to reach fluency this year, even if you are starting from zero. Welcome to Cinco in Spanish. I'm Saul. Let's dive into the video. In Spanish, we have a saying, poco a poco. To learn fast, you need to focus on the power verbs. Ser y estar, the verb to be. Tener, the verb to have. Querer, the verb to want. Ir, the verb to go. Si sabes estos verbos, you can survive 80% of daily conversations. Why 2026? Because the Spanish speaking world is coming to you, and you are going to it. El Mundial. This year, the Copa Mundial de la FIFA is happening right here in Mexico. Imagine being in the stadium, surrounded by the energy, and actually understanding the chants, ordering your food in Spanish, and talking to the locals. It's a totally different experience when you speak the language. Vacaciones. Maybe you are planning a trip to the beautiful beaches of Cancun or the streets of Mexico City. Don't be the person who only knows how to say hola and gracias. When you speak Spanish, you find the best food, the best prices, and the best stories. Música y amigos. Maybe you have a friend who is Latino, or you love música latina. Imagine finally understanding the lyrics to your favorite songs, or having a real conversation with your friend's family. La conexión se vuelve real. You are on your phone every day, right? Change the language to Spanish. Look for these words: ajustes, settings, mensajes, messages, compartir, share. By seeing these words todos los días, you learn them without even trying. Don't be afraid to speak ugly Spanish. If you go to a restaurant and you say, yo quiero tacos, guess what? You are getting tacos. The goal isn't to be a poet. The main point is the comunicación. In this channel, we practice Español Real at a pace you can actually follow. But how do we get there? We use the A1 fast track. Number 1. Focus on survivable Spanish. Don't worry about complex past tense yet. Focus on el presente. Focus on words like ¿cuánto cuesta? How much is it? And yo quiero, I want. Number 2. Audio immersion. Listen to my podcast while you work out or you commute. Your ears need to get used to the rhythm of the language. Number 3. Visual learning. Watch my videos with dual subtitles. It's like a cheat code for your brain to connect sounds to meanings. 2026 is going to be a historic year for Mexico and for the Spanish language. Don't watch from the sidelines. Participa. Start today your journey. Check out my A1 podcast series on this channel. Comment below. ¿Por qué quieres aprender español? Why do you want to learn Spanish? Muchas gracias y nos vemos pronto en otro video. Thank you very much. See you soon.